Meaning of flamethrower.
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 Flamethrower. A flamethrower is a type of weapon that projects a stream of fire to incinerate targets. It works by expelling fuel, usually gasoline or napalm, from a nozzle and igniting it with a spark or flame. The result is a devastating weapon that can quickly destroy large areas and kill anyone caught in its path. Flamethrowers were widely used in World War I and II for clearing trenches and fortifications, but they are now banned under international law due to their indiscriminate and horrific effects on both human beings and the environment.